Hello friends, welcome to this video. So today we will have a look at this Tata and Airbus deal and how this deal will help in the Make in India initiative, and will it be a big push for this Make in India program, Make in India initiative. On that news we'll have a look. So what is the news basically? So a deal was signed between the Tata Group and Airbus, which the deal is worth around 22,000 crore rupees, and the deal is to build a C295 transport aircrafts in Gujarat. Okay, and recently PM Modi launched this project. So that is it basically, and the thing is, this is the C295 aircraft, okay, and which is going to be manufactured at Vadodara in Gujarat. Okay, Vadodara in Gujarat, and the foundation stone of this manufacturing facility has been laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So what happened? Let us have a look at the main highlights of this program. So on October 30, PM Modi laid the foundation of C295 aircraft manufacturing plant in Vadodara, Gujarat. Okay. So a plant has been inaugurated. The foundation stone has been laid to manufacture C295 aircrafts. Okay. So the same aircrafts. Okay, at Vadodara in Gujarat. So these aircrafts are meant to be delivered to the Indian Air Force. Okay, so the primary beneficiary of these aircrafts will be the Indian Air Force. So it will be India's first transport aircraft manufacturing hub. Okay, so far there was basically no such transport aircraft manufacturing hub in India, and with this Vadodara is going to be that hub. Okay. So what is C295 basically? C295 is basically a tactical transport aircraft, okay, which can perform parachute and cargo dropping, maritime patrol and medical evacuation. Okay, you might have seen in some videos that military personnel, they jump with parachutes from certain aircrafts. So this from C295 aircraft also parachute jumps can be carried out. And also maritime patrol to safeguard our oceans and seas. This particular aircraft may be used, and also in case of emergency medical evacuation, this aircraft will be used whenever required. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi lauded India's current manufacturing facility, where he said that today's India is capable of manufacturing fighter jets, tanks, medicines, vaccines, electronic gadgets, cars and mobile phones. Okay, so India is capable of manufacturing diverse products which are not only produced for India, but they can also be exported to other countries. Okay, so today's India has got that much capability. So the PM states that the Make in India initiative, which the government launched, this can be extended to something called Make in India, Make for the Globe. Okay, that means products are being manufactured in India, and same products may be exported to many countries around the world. So that is basically Make in India, Make for the Globe initiative. And the Vadodara facility to manufacture the C295 aircrafts will have the capacity to transform the country's defense and transport sector. Actually, this plant is a part of a deal which was signed between the Tata Group and the European major aerospace company Airbus. Okay, and this deal was signed for a sum of about 22,000 crore rupees. Okay, this is actually quite a big deal, quite a huge deal. And the deal basically involves procurement of 56 such transport aircrafts, the C295 aircrafts. And according to this deal, 16 aircrafts will be directly provided to the IAF from Airbus manufacturing facility in Seville, Spain, by August 2025. Okay, 16 aircrafts will directly be delivered to the IF, and the rest of the aircrafts will be manufactured at the Vadodara plant, and all those manufacturing would be concluded by August 2031. And the planning is that the first made in India aircraft will be rolled out by September 2026, and the rest of the aircrafts will be manufactured by August 2031. Then the Prime Minister also mentioned that India's aerospace sector has seen 5 times increase in investment since 2014 till 2022. Okay, 5 times increase in investment in India's aerospace sector than the investment which it got from the year 2000 to the 2014. So huge developments are going at India's aerospace sector as per the Prime Minister. And this program was also attended by Tata Sons Chairman Mr. N. Chandrasekaran and the Chief Commercial Officer of Airbus, Christian Scherer. Okay, they also attended the program. So friends, basically this is the news. The main objective is to manufacture the C295 aircrafts for the Indian Air Force. And for the first time, such transport aircrafts are to be built in India and at manufacturing facility in Vadodara, Gujarat. And this initiative is likely to give a big push for the Make in India initiative, and not only for Make in India, but also it may support Make for the Globe initiative too, where so not only such aircrafts but many such products which India is manufacturing nowadays, those will be exported to other countries around the globe. So friends, thank you very much for watching the video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.